Hey guys. Okay, it's good. Hey guys, I wanted to um, call my sister Airpods. I will use for a little bit information. Aquarel colors. It's so pretty and you like. Yeah. Anyways, let's start. Let me show you all my art box. There is everything. Big brushes, pretty colors. This color will be good for my sister iPad. So let's start coloring. Oh, oh my god, it's crazy. Well, my sister don't really like this color, so I decided to make these iPods like into a watermelon. So I hope it will be cute. Let's say. Guys, this is what this just looks like. Watermelon, I guess. So, yeah, follow me and like or subscribe if you want me to do more, or just join my journeys and live. It will be fun. Yeah, so I love you all. Bye.